Hey everybody, welcome to Thursday's Math. For today, you're going to need a piece of scrap paper and a pencil or a whiteboard dry erase marker to do the work with us during the main lesson. And then you're going to need your smaller green Home Connections math book. We're going to be working on page 31. You will not need your work packet today, but you will need a positive attitude. All right, pause the video if you need to go get those materials, and then let's go. So our goal today is to solve for the unknown in a multiplication problem, and you will know you're successful when you accurately solve the multiplication equations on the practice page. We're going to start by doing this interactive learning video, which means you are going to need to participate through it in order to get the most out of it. Then you guys are going to do a practice page on your own and check it, and then there'll be a quick exit ticket. So let's get started. So just to warm up real quick, I want us to do just a regular multiplication equation, or solve a regular multiplication problem. So using any of the strategies we've learned so far, I would like you to solve this equation. I want you to solve 4 times 5 equals what? So I want you to pause the video and solve this. Okay, great. Did you get the answer of 20? Maybe you skipped counted by 5 4 times. Maybe you drew the number line and you did 4 hops, 1, 2, 3, 4, of 5 each. Totally, however you did it, whatever, if you got the correct answer of 20, then you're doing it right. If you did not get 20, please notice where you made your mistake. We're going to do another little warm-up. I'm going to draw an array, and I want you to write a multiplication equation for it. So I'm going to do... Okay, I want you to write, it's going to be the height times the length. I want you to write a multiplication equation for it. Go ahead and go. Great, it goes up 3 and it goes over 3. So it is a square, even though it doesn't look like one. 3 times 3 is 9. This should be your answer. All right, so now let's go on to our focus for today. Our focus for today is to learn how to solve problems that look like this. 2 times blank equals 12. We need to figure out how to figure out what goes in this blank. So first we need to think about what is this question asking us? It's asking us to figure out 2 groups of something equals 12. So 2 times something equals 12. To solve this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip count by 2's until I get to 12. I'm going to use my number line. All right. So I'm going to skip count by 2 and I get to 2. Am I at 12 yet? No. So I'm going to skip count 2 more. 3, 4. Am I at 12 yet? No. 5, 6. I'm going to stop when I get to 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, woohoo! I got there. So how do I figure out the answer? You count the number of hops. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hops. So 2 times 6 equals 12. Whoa. Let's try another one. I'm going to do this time, I'm going to do 10 times what equals 30. So what's the first thing I'm going to do? Draw a number line. You can do this with me if you want. Now we're going to skip count by how many? 10s until we get to 30. If you can do this on your fingers or in your head, that's even better than having to draw it out. Okay, so I'm going to skip count by 10s till I get to 30. So my first hop is 10. Well, I'm not at 30 yet. So I'm going to skip 10 more. That equals 20. Not at 30 yet. I'm going to skip 10 more. Oh, now I'm at 30. How many hops did I have to do? 1, 2, 3. So 10 times 3 hops equals 30. Kind of making sense? All right. I want you to see if you can try one. Let's do this one. 5 times what equals 15? So 5 groups of what equals 15? Draw your number line, skip count by 5s until you get to 15. Go ahead and go. Pause the video. Okay, welcome back. I hope you actually did that. That's only going to help you in this. So we need to hop by 5s until we get to 15. So I have 5, 10, 15. I had to hop 1, 2, 3. So did you get the answer of 3. Way to go. All right, let's try a little bit more challenging one. Let's try 9 times what is going to equal 36. So again, you can draw your number line, or you can skip. Another strategy, you can skip count by 9. Just go 9, just write down the next one. What's 9 plus 9? 18, until you get to 36. It's the same idea, just off the number line. So you're going to skip count by 9s until you get to 36, which is probably going to involve a little bit of counting up. I want you to pause the video and see if you can figure this out. Okay, welcome back. So I know my first top's going to get to 9, and I'm going to use my doubles fact. 9 plus 9 equals 18. And from here, I'm going to have to count up by 9. So I have 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. That's 9 more. That's not 36 yet. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. I'm at 36 now. How many times did I have to hop up? 4 times. So if you got 4, way to go. All right, one more practice, and then I'm going to send you guys loose to do your work. What times 3 equals 27? So don't let this confuse you. It's the same thing as saying 3 times what equals 27. So for this one, you're going to have to hop up by how many? 3s until you get to 27. So go ahead and pause the video and do that. All right, welcome back. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Now I have to count up how many times I skip counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 times 9 equals 27. Okie dokie, Smokies. Here's your assignment. In your home connections book, it's called More Windows. So you're going to be doing this page, and this is the answers. I don't want to show you that. It's page number 31. It has window panes on the top, and then it has equations on the bottom for you to solve. When you're done with this today, you're going to be checking it and seeing how you did, and then taking a quick exit ticket. Okay, reach out on GoGuardian if you need any help.